I am Erica Hagonal Brano, ABS Math first year college student, and now I am talking all about
So we have here the graphing. So when we graph the sign, we have here to find or look here the equivalent of every coordinate. So we have here the sign is based on the y coordinate. So we have here a 0. So here the 0. So the y-axis here is 1. So we have here the 1 here. And next we have here the 0 on the pi. So 0 here. And we have here on the 3 pi over 2, we have here the negative 1. So let's put here the negative 1. And again back to the 0. So we have here. So the graph would happen be up, down, down, and up. So this is the sign or the y coordinate would happen. So let's do the cosine. So we have here the cosine. So in the cosine we start the 1, not with the 0. So we have here the 1. So the equivalent of the x coordinate in pi over 2 is 0. So we have here the 0. And the pi, the x coordinate is negative 1. So we have here negative 1. So the 3 pi over 2 is 0. So back here. And the 2 pi is back here to the 1. Equivalent to the 1. So here. So the graph would happen will be down, down, up, up. So that's the cosine graph. So let's move to the tangent graph. So we have here the tangent and the cotangent. So we have here a cotangent. So we have here, let's base here by graphing. So we have here the undefined. So let me put here negative pi 2. So we have here negative pi over 4. So here. So here we see from here to here we have a negative is positive. So we have here put like that. Then we have here a negative. So we have a negative 1. So square root of 2 over 2 times negative 2. Square root of negative 2 and 2 equals to negative 1. So we have here negative 1. And then so we have here and we find. So we have here again that pi 4. So we have a 1 over 2 times square root of 2 over 2 is positive 1. So we have here. So pi over 2 is undefined because 1 times 0 is 0. So undefined. So the graph would happen be from here to here. From here to here. So the graph would be from down to up. So let's move to the cotangent. So in cotangent, we have to look the path from here to here. So we have here right here the undefined. So in the square root of 2, we have here a 1. So we have here a 1. And the square root of 2 start here. So we have here the square root of 2, we have here, and that 3 pi over 2 is we have a negative 1 here, negative 2 over 2, and square root of 2 over 2 is negative 1. So we have here, and of course the undefined. So let's put here. So the graph would happen be from up to down. So we have a cotangent graph. So this is the cotangent graph. So let's move to the second and the cosecant. So we have here the graph of secant. So we have here the cosine of 1, cosine of 0, cosine of negative 1, cosine of 0, and cosine of 1 again. So we have here the point here starting from 1 to 0, negative 1 here, and here is 0, so back here. So the 2 pi is 1, so back here. So this would happen be here to here, down right here, and up. So this one is the second. So based on the table, so we have here the cosecant. So we have here, so the sign here is 0. So let's start here. The pi over 2, we have a 1, so up right here. So the pi would be a 0, so back right here. And the 3 pi over 2, we have a negative 1, so right here. And the 2 pi, we have a 0 sign. So let's put here to here, down right here, and up right here. So but we just put a undefined anecdote, so or vertical anecdote for those undefined. So we have here so we have here, and of course it bends over here, and also here bend over here. So this one is the graphing the sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant, and cotangent. So we have here the example. So y equals to sine, this one is the x. So we have here the amplitude, the 2. So amplitude equals to 2. We have here the b. So this is the b, so we have here 1. So b equals to 1. In the period here is equals to 2 pi over b. So equals to 2 pi over 1 equals to 2 pi. So this one, the negative sign here is reflect about the x-axis. So reflection about the x-axis. So let's draw this. So we have here a negative 2. Start here a 0. So we have here the 0. So we have here a positive 2. And of course our period. So we have here a 2 pi. So let's cut it here into 3. So we have here the 3 pi over 2. We have here the pi and we have here the pi over 2. So let's put here, from here starting point, the 0. So we have here the amplitude. We have here and here. So we have up here and to here, then we have here. So this will be this one is here, up here, then down here. So this one is the example of the graph y negative 2 sine